Hello, and welcome to your Daily Five. I'm Greg Harmon, President and founder of Dragonfly Capital Management. At Dragonfly Capital, we manage money for clients in separate accounts and do so using principles of technical analysis and provide risk management by using option strategies to minimize capital at risk. Learn more at dragonflycap.com. If, however, you want to manage your own money and are just looking for ideas, we also sell a newsletter that gives 10 ideas every Sunday afternoon using technical analysis and option strategies to determine these ideas and gives you triggers, stop out levels, and risk management techniques. Again, find out more at dragonflycap.com. Today, I want to talk about 5 stocks that I'm interested in to begin the third quarter. And these are what I'm labeling large-scale movers and makers, big industrial companies, big machines, big infrastructure type plays here. So let's get started. First one I have, Eaton Corp. Eaton Corp has a big corporate headquarters right down the road from me here in Beechwood, as well as offices officially in Ireland. Makes some big machinery, some big industrial type activities in terms of power generation. And you can see here that the stock during the second quarter had a bit of a recovery and has now gone into June, taking off to the upside. Comes into this week near its all-time high, which is the Monday from last week, or the Friday, June 30th, and is heading a little higher today. Strong momentum here. We've got a little bit of a reset on the MACD, probably also healthy there, given that the pullback that we saw last week gets us a little bit closer to that rising 20-day moving average, and does keep us on the upside of that 20-day moving average, keeping the trend to the upside. So that's our first choice for this week. The second stock I've got here, one that everybody knows, and if you're like me, you get deliveries from them every day. FedEx. FedEx comes into the week also running to the upside here, breaking through a short-term consolidation to end the week last Friday. Hanging out right about that level, a little bit to the upside as I talked this morning on Monday. But this follows that breakout that held it in place for most of the second quarter. So looks like it's got some room to run here. Momentum has picked up, and FedEx looks like it's another good winner going forward. Third name, General Electric. And General Electric has been just crushing it since the beginning of the year, since that gap down on the beginning of January 3rd. Just a straight out upright movement, mainly seeing support on minor pullbacks to the 20-day moving average. We went a little bit deeper than that in the middle of June, but seems to be pulling through and reversing back higher too. So another mega cap that's looking to be in pretty good shape here. Momentum is picking up here. You see that the RSI has held over 50 for the entire run since it got there in January. And the MACD, even though it's kind of reset a little bit, has remained positive and just has those bounces along the way. And here's one that's a little bit less known, a big earth moving equipment company, Terex. And Terex, you can see here, has had a good run since the October low, paused out around year end, and then rose up again to a high in March. Some reset in the second quarter, and is now back up at that level with momentum still in the positive zone. So sitting today at its 20-day moving average and looking as though this big earth mover has some more upside to go, with a bit of a cup and handle developing here. Finally, Timken. Timken, started out from Timken Steel, big industrial company, And you can see it has that same kind of cup structure that Terex had. Has been moving higher since before October, since June and July last year. Took a pause in the second quarter as well, and is now back up and making highs. We see that the breakout last week came back and retested that breakout level, and now it looks ready to head out for more upside potential here. So those 5 stocks, very different than the stocks that we've seen leading going into the second quarter, what have been called the Magnificent Seven, the Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet stocks that have been driving the market higher and leading to what we're going to see as a NASDAQ 100 rebalance this next week, indicating more broadening out of the participation in moves to the upside, both at the large scale, and now it's starting to get a little bit broader as well, and bringing in not just tech names, not just big consumer names, but industrial names, materials names, things that are going to help build the infrastructure and build the strength of the upside in the marketplace. So that's your daily 5. Thanks for watching.